So, Thursday, day before yesterday, was the appearance day of Srila Lochan Das Thakur. Vivo! He's a very, very wonderful Vaishnava, and especially he has written many songs in the mood for us, fallen conditioned souls. And taking especially our mood of how fallen we are, how challenging we are, and how we have so many questions, so many doubts. Even when we have got this sublime, time-tested process. So Lochan Das Thakur is standing and he's shouting, "Who wants to go? Who wants to go across this material ocean? Tora ke jabi re bhai, bhava Sindhu par."
Re bhai, bhava Sindhu par.
Ore o भाई रे तोरा के जाबी रे भाई এই ভব সিন্ধু পান, জড় ভব সিন্ধু পান, রাকে
যাবি রে ভাই,
তোরা কে যাবি রে ভাই, ভব সিন্ধু পার।
কে যাবি রে ভাই, ভব সিন্ধু পার।
ওরে ধন্য কলি যুগের তন্ময় অবতার, গৌর অবতার,
ধন্য কলি যুগে রচে ধন্য গৌর অবতার। ও ধন্য কলি যুগে রচৈ তনয়
Why this Chaitanya avatar? When Lord Ram was going through the forest of Dandakaranya, he saw mountains, huge piles and piles of mountains of bones. These were bones of sages and saintly people that the demons had eaten and devoured and left the bones to be piled up as mountains. Seeing this, Lord Ram became very angry and he took his bow. He took a vow and took his bow up and he said, I'm going to vanquish all these demons. Alongside was Mother Sita. She caught his hand. She said, what are you doing? Even though they are demoniac in nature, after all, they are our children. They are my sons. Please don't do this. So Lord Ram promised, okay, now I have taken the vow. Let me kill them in this avatar. I promise you, next incarnation, I won't take any weapons. And so in the next incarnation, the Lord appeared as Lord Krishna. And in the Mahabharata, he did not pick up any weapons. Yet thousands and millions of demons were killed. Srimati Radharani questioned, "You are very smart, Krishna. You are very, very clever. You did not pick up any weapon, but you demolished so many of these demoniac kings so cleverly. I don't trust you. I'm not going to let you go alone the next time." And so she entered into his heart and he appeared as Mahaprabhu. This Gaura avatar, he does not kill the demons, but he delivers them. আর ধন্য কলি যুগের চই তন্ময় অবতার যাবি ভব পার ধন্য কলি যুগের চই
যাবি ভব
কে যাবি রে ভাই ভব সিন্ধু So Lochan Das Thakur is saying, come to this Mahaprabhu. He is going to deliver you for sure. Amar Gaurangir Ghate Adan Khiyabo The boat will leave from Mahaprabhu's ghat. Come, become his followers. Amaro go rangir ghate adan kheyaba. Okay, the boat is going to leave, but isn't there a ticket for it? What is the cost going to be? Even if you have to win a lottery, you have to at least buy a 50 cents worth of the lottery ticket at least. I am so fallen, I don't have anything. How will I get on the boat? So Lochan Das Thakur says, don't worry. Jadayandha aturo, Jadayandha ar Jadayandha aturo, avadhi paraha, avadhi paraha, Jadayandha
atura avadhi parha.
তোরা কে যাবে রে ভাই ভক সিন্ধুকা But I have one more question. This material ocean, I haven't heard much about. Don't listen much to Shastras and Sadhus. But still, from whatever little I've heard this material ocean is really, really huge, unconquerable, unsurmountable, and very, very rare to cross across. So this boat you are going to put me on, what is this boat made of? Does it have the capability of bearing the storms that's going to come once I'm going to be in the middle of the ocean? So Lochan Das Thakur is replying, Hari Namer Nauka Khani Shri Guru Kandari. This boat is not made of anything from this material world. Golokera Premadhan Sri Harinama Sankirtan. It has come all the way from the spiritual world. So this is not an ordinary boat. It has actually come from the other side, and therefore it is capable of going across. Hari Nama Nauka Khani Shri Guru Kandari. Okay, fine, your boat is very nice. But what if we are floating there, here and there, everywhere? Do you have a captain of the ship? Will he be able to guide us across? So Lochan Das Thakur is saying, don't worry. Shri Guru Kandari. Shri Guru, who is none other than the representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has come mercifully to guide us back. So along with the boat, the captain has also come from the other side. So they know their way, don't worry. How is this boat going to go across such a big ocean? I'm sorry, I have so many questions. But please answer this question. So Lochan Das Thakur says, we all are going to work together, raising up our hands as oars of the ship. We will do kirtan and we will take this boat forward. Sankirtana kerayala, Sankirtana. Sankirtana, O Dubahu Poshadi, Dubahu Poshadi. Please raise your hands. Yaho, with Sankirtan, with his two hands raised, dancing and chanting, we will all be able to push this boat forward. Jabire Look, right now only, all of us have put our hands down. 1 minute we raised our hand. So how long we are going to use our hands? How long we'll be able to go on our own power? I don't know about anybody else, but I know I am very weak. I won't be able to row all the way back. So what will happen in the middle? Lochan Das Thakur said, Baba, don't worry. There will be a beautiful wind that will come. We just need to push these waves, push the boats off the waves. As we go a little deeper in, the beautiful wind of Lord Krishna's mercy will come. And that will take us 95% of our journey away. Ar sab jeeva hoilo pan premer batashe. সব জীব হইল পার প্রেমের বাতাসে আর পরি আর হিল লোচন পরিয়ার হিল লোচন আপনার দোষে If the success rate of this boat is so much, then there should be nobody on this side of the ocean. Everybody should have gone. But how come there are still some people lying and drowning in this ocean, and many of them still waiting on this side? So Lochan Das Thakur said it. Apanaro doshe. If by their own desire, if they jump off the ship, if they abandon this ship, then who can help them? Are pori aro hilolochan apanaro doshe. Apanaro doshe. Sachinandana Sri Gaura Hari ki. Bhai dhana kali juge ro chaitanya avatar. Gaura avatar. Jai Jai Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari. Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari. Jai Jai Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari. Sachinandan Jaya Jaya Gaura Hari. Jaya Saparshada Jaya Gaura Hari. Saparshada Jaya Jaya Gaura Hari. Jai Sachinandana Gaura Hari. Jai Sachinandana Gaura Hari. Gaura He, Gaura He, Gaura He, Gaura He. Gaura He. Jai Sachinandana Sri Gaura Hari ki. So please, oh my brothers and sisters, even after coming so far and even after coming on this boat, please don't abandon it. Continue on chanting this holy name. And one day, we shall all be across the ocean. Hari Hari Bol. श्री श्री राधा राधा कांत जी की जय।